if you address the process of delivery of healthcare, it is possible to address everyone's problems. There is a system which we are gradually building. We don't build 100-bed, 200-bed hospitals. We build health cities with 3,000 beds, 5,000 beds. It's built on very sound business fundamentals, what we call as economy of scale. We have the size to address our cost factors. There are a lot of good people who will join you if your mission is to make this world a better place to live. There is a great benefit of being big.
We are building a hospital, a super specialty hospital in Cayman Island. The government of Cayman Island approached us to set up a health city because they want to add a new revenue source for the island, which is currently dependent on financial services and tourism. Healthcare is very important, and it is important in a manner that no one should suffer because they have no money. If a solution is not affordable, it is not a solution. It's pointless talking about all the developments in healthcare if 90% of the world's population cannot afford it. Hands that serve are more sacred than the lips that pray. The whole concept is based on the fact that everyone on this planet must have access to high-tech healthcare. When you work in different parts of the world, your idea about healthcare dramatically changes. Healthcare should become a fundamental right. I decided to become a heart surgeon before I decided to become a doctor. 1 out of 140 children born anywhere in the world has a heart disease. Everyone perceives technology as a tool of the rich. Technology gives the rich people what they always had in a better format. But technology will give poor people what they can never dream of having. Poverty in this world will be wiped out in our lifetime by using technology. And it can be done successfully, and it can be done with the low cost. To dissociate healthcare from affluence, it is going to happen.
About 10% of the heart surgery done in India is done by us. So we have a very large buying capacity. And also, we make it very clear to our professionals, our doctors, nurses, technicians, administrators, that when they join our team, they have to learn to differentiate between need and greed. When good people become rich in an honest way, money gets utilized for good causes.
Essentially, we have phenomenal tools. We have everything going for a fantastic healthcare delivery.
Essentially, what we are trying to do is to do large number of heart operations.
We will be influencing how the healthcare is delivered across the world. Health sector is going to drive the economy of the 21st century. make them as doctors, nurses, technicians, hospital administrators, research scientists, they will conquer the world. The future asset is not going to be oil or steel. They are going to take us to the next level in the whole evolution of the society.
If you want to transform the way the healthcare is delivered, you have to concentrate on the number. It's happening in a very large scale. It's a great opportunity to bring high-tech healthcare to everyone all across the world. High-tech healthcare with dignity. This transformation is going to happen very fast. These are our strengths. We have everything required for a wonderful healthcare delivery system.
You can see the transformation in 6 years. You don't have to wait for one person's entire lifetime. It is not a stress to be a doctor. It is the best thing what God has given to me, and for next 10 lives, if God ever gives me, I want to be a doctor and I want to do exactly what I am doing. God has been very kind to me in every which way. We believe that there will be major reforms in healthcare. There will be a lot of policy changes in healthcare. There will be major reforms which will bring healthcare to everyone.
We are creative people. We are skilled workers. We can perform the best piece of art. There are a lot of good people who will join you if your mission is to make this world a better place to live.